Welcome. In front of me is a ESSENTIELB Wooze L, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, let's hold power key and select power off. And once the device shuts off, you want to then hold power key and volume up. And from here, using only volume up to navigate, you want to select the first or second option. You can access the Fastboot from either one of them. The second option in here would probably be quicker. So you can select it by just using volume up, and once it is, you press volume down to confirm it. Or you can also go through the recovery mode the same way. So you would select recovery mode and then press volume down. Now I'm showing the longer way depending on how you want to do it, considering if you select Fastboot mode here and press volume down, it will automatically go to it, while if you go through recovery mode, you'll have a couple additional steps. So from here, hold power key, press volume up, and then using both volume keys you want to select reboot to bootloader and confirm it with power key, and the outcome is the same. And there we go, at the bottom you can see Fastboot mode. So that is how you would boot your device into it, and if you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold power key till the screen turns off. There we go. And the phone automatically turns back on. So I'll just give it a moment for it to turn back on fully. And there we go, so we're back in the Android. So that is how you would access and also leave the Fastboot mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.